For Unit 3, we chose the Build a Better Town project, and what we had to do here was propose a solution to a common problem seen in cities today, and specifically in the city we chose. We chose the city of Las Vegas, and our problem was traffic jams and poor road conditions. So our infographic here has bar graphs, it has pie charts, it has statistics, it has our claim and problem, or our claim and solution, and it has images. So our goal here was to persuade our audience, which is our classmates, in following our cause and believing in our solution to help the problem be fixed via the solution of nudge marketing. Our problem is listed at the top left right here, which is how can Las Vegas unclog the massive vehicles that pollute the streets and makes navigating the city so difficult. And our solution is right here, which goes into detail about nudge marketing and where the areas of traffic is the heaviest. And here is nudge marketing in further detail. So on the next slide is our annotated bibliography, which we'll go to now.
The annotated bibliography analyzed the sources that contributed in the argument of our topic. Each of these paragraphs set up the summarize, assess, and reflect parts of the annotated bibliography. Taking our last paragraph as an example, the summarize was an overview of what the source added to our argument, which is highlighted in blue. The information in between the blue highlighted lines and the red highlighted lines is the evidence, or in other words, unprocessed information that we later elaborate on. The red highlight, or the assess, develops the information found in the source. Finally, the green highlighted part, or the reflect, shows how the information will fit into the research. In this specific case, I understood that the resource was helpful to me because it utilized logos in order to demonstrate exactly what needed to be done in order to improve conditions for Las Vegas citizens. Our infograph presentation scored extending on all three categories, or in other words, this project received a perfect score. This is because our ideas that were presented were clear in the infographic and used informative graphs to analyze statistics presented in the annotated bibliography. The structure of our project was organized so that information was easy to read. Finally, the use of language in both the infographic and annotated bibliography utilized strong persuasive language and precise diction in order to make a convincing argument.